Farmer Jeff here, showing you guys how I did my rain barrel system. I always wanted to just say Farmer Jeff, anyway. First and foremost, when it comes down to a rain barrel system, you need roofing. And so we started building our chicken coop and figured out we could capture some of the rain drain. And so we did. We added this little gutter system here, which then drains into our rain barrel system. There's some netting here to protect against mosquitoes. So it's window netting. There's some debris up here, as you can see, but that helps to keep nothing from getting inside. Drains into these 4 bins, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have our piping down here. This helps to control the water flow to the end of the system. So a little spigot down there. I can turn off each of these rain barrels just by turning each one of these little knobs here, and I can service the system as I need to, clean it out, whatever. Come out here, we have kind of that extra, if too much water has made it through the system, this is an extra pipe to allow some drainage. Hopefully in the future make this look a little bit better. Here is the spigot. I just wanted to really show you guys, after this past month we have a ton of water in these guys. It's totally filled, about 200 gallons worth of water, and it's draining really fast. I'm super excited. And at this point, there is some future work going into it. I just wanted to show you guys this. And now I'm gonna water my passion fruit and bid you guys farewell. Thank you.